deficiency of platelet, because all clotting factors are synthesized by liver in liver, and vitamin K also synthesized in liver. So all the condition which causes hemorrhagic, which causes excessive bleeding due to the clotting factors released from the liver. So liver diseases, first liver disease, most of the clotting factors are synthesized by the liver. Disease of liver such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, yellow fever depress the clotting system, and patient develops severe tendency to bleed. Platelets are the formed element of the blood. So are smallest blood cells derived from largest blood cell, megakaryocyte. Normal count is 1,50,000 to 3 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood. Lifespan 9 to 12 days. Destroyed in spleen. So spleen is the graveyard of the platelet. When there is any problem in the spleen, or for example malaria, spleen enlarge, for example any other condition, for example tumor, cancer, spleen, liver enlarge, for example thalassemia, so these are the platelet deficiencies. These are the clotting factors. So you should know about the clotting factor, which are there are so many clotting factors, at least 15 or 16 are mentioned in the books. Vitamin K deficiency. Vitamin K is necessary for the formation of important clotting factor by liver, which are prothrombin, factor 8, 7, factor 9, factor 10, protein C. So the clotting vitamin K factors are factor 2, factor 7, factor 9, factor 10. These are the vitamin K dependent factors. Protein C is also a zymogen. Blood coagulation factor is a zymogen activated part of which plays an important role in regulating anticoagulation, inflammation, cell death, and maintaining the permeability of the blood vessels. Vitamin K is synthesized by the intestinal bacteria. K deficiency seldom occurs except neonates who until to develop bacterial flora. Poor absorption of vitamin K in intestinal diseases, because K is fat soluble. It requires fats for absorption. So we need fat for absorption of vitamin K. If there is a less amount of fat, so it cannot be absorbed. So then there is a deficiency of vitamin K. So the bleeding disorders occurs. Bile obstruction or failure to secrete bile by liver and GIT for fat digestion and absorption. Hemophilia occurs in male. Only 85% cases occur due to deficiency or factor 8, also called hemophilia A or classic hemophilia. 15% in 15% cases hemophilia caused by deficiency of factor 9. Both factors transmitted genetically by female carriers by X chromosome, usually diagnosed after circumcision or tooth extraction. Also deficiency of platelet. Deficiency of platelet, when there is the less number of platelet below 70,000, also called thrombocytopenia. Bleeding occurs from small blood cells. Hemorrhagic spots occur throughout the body that are purplish blotches. Bleeding occurs when platelet count decreases to 50,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. Also lethal treatment, fresh blood transfusion, splenectomy. Splenectomy is in the last stage of the treatment, because when there is no any cure for the improvement platelets, so that then we perform splenectomy, removal of spleen. This is the diagrammatic presentation of platelet deficiency purplish spots seen in the body. Thromboembolic condition. What is thrombus and what is embolism? Thrombus is the abnormal clot that develops in a blood vessels called thrombus. Embolism, sometimes clot likely to break away from its attachment and flow with blood, so free flowing clots are called as emboli. Thrombus or thrombosis, embolism occur simultaneously. Causes: condition that leads to rough endothelial surface of blood vessels and initiates clotting process. Arteriosclerosis, infections, trauma. Blood often clots when it flows slowly. Treatment. This diagram shows the deep thromboembolic condition, arteriosclerosis, infection, trauma, blood often clots when it flows slowly. Treatment: tissue plasminogen activator, if given in first hour of coronary artery thrombosis, can prevent the damage. This is the diagrammatic presentation of deep venous thrombosis. This is the normal and this is the DVT. Normal blood flowing is normally, and DVT when there is a clot formed, detached blood clots. This is the wall blood clots. This is the DVT, so that it is very dangerous condition. When clot grows in venous blood vessels like femoral or popliteal, sometimes disengage, detach and flow through right side of the heart into the pulmonary artery, called pulmonary embolism. Clotting always occurs when blood flow is blocked for many hours. Immobility of patient confined to bed. Practice of propping the knees with pillows to obstruct blood flow. If emboli block both pulmonary artery, death occurs immediately. DIC, disseminated intravascular coagulation, occurs when becomes activated in widespread area of circulation, causes large amount of traumatized or dying tissues in the body that release quantity of tissue factors into the blood. Septicemia means sepsis in the blood, septic toxin in the blood. Bacteremia means bacteria. Bacteremia means bacteria in the blood activate clotting mechanism. Patient will bleed because of clotting factors are removed by widespread clotting. This is the diagrammatic presentation of DIC. You show the whole hand is cyanos, bluish, purplish due to the DIC bleeding clots. This is the purpura. Purpura is also platelet deficiency. Senile purpura in old age when the skin becomes loose, thin, so that this condition is known as senile purpura.